Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Tabutinka Foodies. Today we'll be making some rich and fudgy brownies with simple and wholesome ingredients. There's no extra butter or eggs needed. These brownies are made with simple ingredients like yogurt, cane sugar and dark chocolate for that perfect balance of health and indulgence. They're quick and easy to make and so satisfying and indulgent. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe and let's get started. Let's start by adding 1 cup of water to a saucepan and warming it up over medium heat. Place a medium-sized bowl on top of the saucepan and add chopped 70% dark chocolate. Stir continuously until the chocolate melts completely. Once melted, set it aside and let it cool completely. Now, in a mixing bowl, add half cup of oat flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice, 3/4 cup plain yogurt, 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well until you get a smooth and creamy batter. Pour the brownie batter into a square pan lined with parchment paper. Tap the pan a few times to settle the batter evenly. Now we'll sprinkle some more chopped 70% dark chocolate on top for that extra richness. Now we'll bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, we'll let it cool completely before cutting it into equal-sized pieces. Now enjoy this rich, fudgy oat brownies. They're easy to make and taste absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you'd like to have something chocolatey every once in a while, do give these brownies a try and let us know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, the written recipe is in the description below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.